Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies. Lesson number 20, our community life. Now let us discuss what is there in this lesson. Rules for living in a community. Now what are rules? Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. We have to deal with other people in our community all the time. For smooth running of our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. When you follow some restrictions, that is called rules. And what rules bring? Rules bring discipline to community life. Means we have to follow the rules for the smooth running of community life. Look at this picture. Girls playing Kho. So when the any games are played, so there we have to follow rules. Before playing any game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. When we play game, we have to follow all the rules, and all the rules are same for everybody. Every player has to follow the rule. Only then does the game go on smoothly. Similarly, in order to make sure that community life also goes on smoothly, for the smooth running of our life, in fact for the smooth running of our life, we must follow the rules. And when we play games, many important things happen in our life. And what is that? Games have an important place in our lives. And while playing games, we imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity, because no game you can play all alone. For playing any game, there has to be a team, and for that team, cooperation and unity has to be there. First of all, you should participate in a game, then determine yourself to play the game and show your passion to play the game. Participation, determination and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Winning or losing is not important. Our participation, determination and passion are important. And sports help us to stay healthy. Now let us discuss some rules for community life. For the smooth running of community life, be in a queue and climb on the bus. See, check the queue here. And one by one they'll climb the queue or climb the bus. Cross the road on the zebra crossing. This is zebra crossing. Cross the road on the zebra crossing. If you are injured, go to a doctor or primary health center at once. Look, this boy has visited the doctor. Report a leaking tap. This is our responsibility. When we are finding any leaking tap in a public place, so we should report it to the Gram Panchayat or the local government body. Do not travel without a ticket. Always buy a ticket whenever you are traveling. So these are the rules. Simple rules. And when we follow these rules, it helps to prevent quarrels. There will be no quarrels, fights and partiality. Everyone will be treated equal. Always remember, let us Let us all help each other. Always we have to help each other. Let us all follow the right path. This is said by Sant Tukaram. So, what we have learnt today? We have learnt rules are needed for smooth running of community life. Games teach us cooperation and unity, and sports keep us healthy.